Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone. Snapchat not working on an iPhone is a common problem that can manifest as the app freezing while in use or even completely crashing and restarting. So I will tell you how can you fix this issue. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is to check your iPhone's Wi-Fi cellular connection. For this, the quickest way is to do this to open another app like YouTube or any other app that needs an internet connection. If the app is working, so it means internet connection is not an issue and you are done. And the next step is switching from Wi-Fi to a cellular. If your Wi-Fi is slow or completely down, turn it off and try using your iPhone cellular connection to access Snapchat. For this, go to your settings and then click on Wi-Fi and turn it off, and then turn on your mobile data and you are done. And the next step is toggle airplane mode on and off. This only takes a few seconds, is an easy way to reset your iPhone's Wi-Fi and cellular connection. For this, go to your settings and at the top you will see the airplane mode, so turn it on and after a few seconds turn it off again and you are done. And the next step is restart the Snapchat app on your iPhone, properly closing the Snapchat app, not just minimizing it, and then opening it again could fix the problem. For this, tap on your home button, swipe up and close the Snapchat app and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. A quick restart can fix a number of iPhone app problems. For this, go to your settings, scroll down and then click on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Shutdown and shut your phone off, and after a few minutes turn it on again and you are done. And the next step is update the Snapchat app. An app update may be required to get Snapchat to open on your iPhone and work properly. For this, go to your App Store and search for Snapchat. If you see there is any update available, so update your app and you are done. And the next step is reinstall the Snapchat app. Uninstall the Snapchat on your iPhone and then reinstall it again. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then click on General and then click on iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. Scroll down and find Snapchat app and then delete app and reinstall it again via App Store and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.